So you might be in the situation where on Instagram, you keep getting this type of error, which it tells you that it's just basically a try again later type of error. And it tells you that you limit or they limit certain things. Now, number one, a big thing. If you've been like following a bunch of people randomly, or you've been doing a lot of random things like that, kind of like bot like activities, Instagram is going to limit your account. So just be careful. Try not to go through and go overboard and try to follow a bunch of people and do anything crazy in a short amount of time, because that is probably going to give you the most amount of issues. So just try to stop acting like a scamming type of person and just let your account cool down for a little bit. That will probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. These things internally are called action blocks, and that usually will end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So let your account cool down and probably don't attempt to do anything else crazy. You might also want to go through and disconnect any sort of like third-party application. So if you're using a third-party app for like Instagram account management, or you're using it to unfollow like a mass amount of people, you probably don't want to do that at this point either, because that's probably going to cause some issues as well. So try not to do that too. You can also try going through and restarting your iPhone. So hold down the volume up button and the power button, slide your phone to power off, give it a second, let it go ahead and restart, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. But if that's still not working, you might want to just try updating the Instagram application, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. So those are kind of the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.